Okay, loves, let me tell you what I have going on in my living room currently. So the wall art came from Home Goods. The candle holders came from Bath and Body Works, as well as the candles. This beautiful mosaic jar came from Z Gallery. The crab came from Z Gallery. The bigger ginger jar at the bottom came from Inspire Me Home Decor. The tray at the bottom came from Z Gallery. My entryway table itself came from Rooms to Go. The plant that you see here came from Hobby Lobby. I spray painted it silver. The container you see it in is actually a trash can. It came from Home Goods. And I think I've already said the wall art came from Home Goods. The plants that you see here and the vase came from Z Gallery. You guys, you don't sleep on Z Gallery. You can find some good sales. I paid $19.99 for this vase at Z Gallery. It's super cute. I purchased two. I spray painted one of them gold, and it's in my home office. My accent table at the bottom came from Z Gallery. The vase you see at the bottom actually came from Tuesday Morning. So I'm gonna pan all the way around here. We painted our door black. It was white, and we painted it black, and I'm loving it for now. So I'm gonna pan on around here. So my window drapes came from Amazon. I'll place the link below to those. The wall art that's in the middle of that wall came from Home Goods. My lamps came from Z Gallery. My little coral decorative objects here came from Home Goods. My elephant from Thomas Ferrier. This is actually a pillow cover that I purchased from Z Gallery. And my chair came from Style Up Corp. It's one of those TOV furniture pieces. All my books came from Stage My Nest. I'll leave the link below to her. They're decorated books. And pretty much all my decorative objects at the bottom actually came from Home Goods as well. So I'm going to pan on around this way. So my wall art on this side came from Home Goods as well. These beautiful pics here came from Z Gallery. This vase came from a lady who sells on Instagram. I will leave her shop, the name of her shop below as well. I think it's New Lifestyle Inc. Lifestyles by Inc. NYC. This big, huge, beautiful ginger jar here came from Home Goods, as well as the stand that is on. This actually came from At Home. Those lanterns came from Z Gallery. They're called Monroe lanterns. They're super, super cute. And these black sticks came from Hobby Lobby. These picks came from Z Gallery. My mirrored vase came from Z Gallery as well. Another $19.99 still from Z Gallery. So I'm going to step back. My mirror from Z Gallery. My rug actually came from Home Goods. But at one point, you can get your hands on this rug at Wayfair, but I think it's out of stock. My plants picks that you see here actually came from Joann's Fabric, as well as these. These are Joann's Fabric flowers. They're super, super cute. I just stuck. Yeah, I like doing arrangements, and I do them a lot on Instagram. And yeah, so I just have those stuck in there. You can see. Let me show you. Now, I think, did I show you guys that video when I did this? I'm not sure. I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy, but basically all I did was stick those in there. Of course, I put the rocks in there first. And you don't even have to style these no specific way. You can just stick them in the middle if you like. Anyway, these are these tiara vases. I love these vases. I get a lot of questions asking me, where does this top come from? The top actually comes with the vase. You can put flowers, rocks. You can put whatever you want to put in your vases. You can put real flowers in these vases. And you can also flip this way if you want. That's cute too. Again, my decorative books came from Stage My Nest. My coffee table is super, super cute. Love this coffee table. Many people say they saw this back in the 80s or something. But I love this coffee table because you can expand it. It has 4 shelves. you can expand it out. I used to expand it out a lot, but I kind of just gotten used to leaving it just a one column way. But I love this coffee table. I'm thinking about putting it back in my family room and putting a bigger one in here for fall so I can do more stylings in here. But yeah, this pineapple came from Home Goods. And so when it comes to these books, they're not real Chanel and Louis Vuitton books. Of course, I hope everybody knows that. But what they do is they just maybe go to Dollar Tree, I think, and buy some books or whatever. I mean, I'm sure we can make these, but I don't know how to do it. I'll try one day. But yeah, these books are super cute. I like this one. And then this is another one of my favorite because it has the Greek key symbol here. See there? But it's not a real designer book. It's just, oh, I got a stain right there. Where'd that come from? I'm probably gonna get some Clorox or something and get that off. But yeah, these are books that doesn't have anything to do with the title of the book. But yeah, I'm gonna flip that up. That's probably why I had it flipped upside down, right? So yeah. Oh, so let's talk about these pillows. This pillow here was marked down 50% off. Plus I was able to get an additional 20% off. Every now and then when you shop Z Gallery Sales Rack, they have an additional 20% off their 50% off items. So I may have paid about 30 bucks for these pillows, which is an awesome deal because they're feather feel and I love them. They're super cute. I'll be able to use them all throughout the year. And these are those Mangolian, they're round. They have them in all different colors, and I thought the black was an awesome color to pick up. So yeah, and my couch actually came from Rooms to Go. I always forget about my beautiful chandelier. I love it. It actually came from ET2 Lighting. It's super, super cute. I love it. Let me show you how it looks with the lights on. So this is it with the lights on. It's super, super cute. But for some reason, I like it better with the lights off. Yeah, I like it so much better with the lights off. You can see all the details in the crystals with the lights off. Super, super cute. Love it, love it, love it. So that pretty much sums up this video. I'm going to be starting fall decor ideas and inspiration very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.